CaTS Rescue allows our support technician to quickly access, view, and fix your computer over the internet. You may be asked to complete the following steps. Open up your browser, Firefox. Key in the address logmein123.com. You will be directed to the Connect to Technician support page. You will be issued a 6-digit code over the phone from your support technician. Keep this in where indicated and click Connect to Technician. Click Save File. The Downloads folder will appear. Double-click the Support LogMeIn Rescue file. Click OK. Click Run. Your support technician will be with you shortly. A Windows security alert may appear. Click Unblock. Your support technician may ask to control your desktop. Click OK.